They've been almost unsurmountable.
Yeah, baby.
And their opponents first, from Tokyo, Japan, Mina,
Mina Shirakawa, who 1 week ago challenged the Toxic Spider for that AEW Women's World Championship. Shirakawa, she was repelled by Tekla.
Okay, whatever.
This past weekend at Collision, she found 2 women that were spoiling for a fight here tonight.
and her partners, Alex Windsor, Jamie Hayter, the Brawling Birds.
Mina Shirakawa, Jamie Hayter, Alex Windsor, Tony on Saturday. They had a very clear message for the Triangle of Madness. Mina Shirakawa, and this is a direct quote, said, "We're going to beat the piss out of you."
Ah, well, there you go. That's not pulling any punches there.
You didn't learn that on Duolingo.
If we're taking you back last week to Dynamite, thanks to Brass Nuts, Mina got